sad, you know, with all the interest around what took place at Oak Island on Sunday afternoon and on the scene care that took place. A lot of people wondering what's the best thing to do. If you do run across a traumatic incident like that, trying to help the victims, like the 2 victims of the shark bites this past weekend. Aaron Kasulis, paramedic with the New Hanover Regional Medical Center Emergency and Trauma Service, joining us right now. Aaron, good morning. Thanks for coming in.
Bob. Thanks for having us.
Trauma, especially right now, this time of the year, is a big thing, and people need to be aware that it happens a lot of times during the summertime months with more people outside.
Absolutely.
But they're not really sure how they should be involved in something like that. And I know the photographer, one of the photographers from Southern Pines that took a few pictures of the young girl that was attacked by the shark, or the shark bite last week, said he was in the way more than he could help, so he jumped out of the way. People need to understand you can't always just get in there without some proper training.
Right. Well, you know, we want to empower the community to, let them understand that they're just part of that link of the chain of survival in situations like this. So if they can stop or control uncontrolled bleeding before the first responders get there, that right there is working itself.
And I think that comes to the fact that a basic CPR course, people need to be aware and maybe take something like that.
Sure. You know, we're out in the community doing hands-on CPR, and we're encouraging citizens to take CPR classes. But go along with that, you learn to help stop or control that hemorrhage, that uncontrolled hemorrhage.
And a lot of that, as she was doing, she used a boogie board, the strings off a boogie board. That probably saved that young girl's life.
Absolutely. The lanyards from surfboards, boogie boards, a tie, a belt, anything you can make a tourniquet with, just put it, just above the site of the injury. That right there alone will help control that bleeding.
Right, you got shark bites going on right now. You know, you've seen those here. You got snake bites here in the area. People just need to be aware and use common sense.
Absolutely.
All right. Aaron, thanks very much for coming in. Hopefully it's going to be a good summer and get all these incidents behind us here for the summer here. All right.